Yeah, eyesight, is that thing counting?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, usually a lot more yellow.
So this is golden crown kinglet. The other one was ruby crown kinglet, and that was a male because it had the red on the head. Even the juveniles got the color on their head.
Oh.
This is a golden crown kinglet, but it's also a male because the female doesn't have the red. It would only have the yellow.
Yeah, that was very yellow.
So you say, I mean, I think the band is still a little big on there. One thing you want to make sure is that the band cannot slip over the foot. Yeah, that's because then it gets stuck on their foot. That's one of the key things you want to do. By now, most of the the band size, no fat to the particular birds.
Nobody's got any fat today.
Yeah, I think I had one bird that might have had a trace of fat on it. 57 for wing.
But with that show in us,
Did you ever like cut a whole chicken up? You get sort of that globby yellow. That's what you see, and it's actually under their skin, so you see the yellow deposits under their skin.
Are you a biology professor?
Yes, at the College of Staten Island.
Oh, there's Staten Island birders here today.
Yeah, I wonder what they are.
I mean, no, I'm sorry. Siskin calling.
Yeah, there was a bunch went over earlier. Skull is 2, age is 2 by S. 5.9.
5.9.
5.9.